Hey guys, what's up? My name is Anand and welcome to my another Android tutorial. In this video, first we will see what are the prerequisites before starting Android application development. After that, I will show you guys how to set up and install necessary tools and software required for Android application development. So let's start. To start Android application development, you should have at least a basic knowledge of Java programming language and object-oriented programming concept. Now the question probably you want to ask is, why do we need Java for Android application development? Java is the standard and popular language for Android application development. That simply means we are going to write our Android application source code in Java programming language. That's why you must have the basic understanding of Java programming language. Apart from that, you should also have the basic knowledge of XML. In Android, XML is used to design application UI. If you don't have these skills, I will highly recommend you to learn these skills. It will help you to learn Android programming easily and effectively. Now let's talk about the tools required for Android application development. The very first tool we need to download is Java Development Kit, or JDK in short. To compile application source code files written in Java, we need JDK. Another tool we need to download is Android Studio. It's an official integrated development environment, or in short IDE, for Android application development. This IDE is actually based on JetBrains product IntelliJ IDEA, and we will use this IDE for code editing, compiling and executing Android application. Another tool which is required for Android application development is Android Software Development Kit, or in short Android SDK. When we install Android Studio, we will also be installing Android SDK. Android SDK contains Java Framework API and various tools to create and build Android applications. To start Android application development, that's all you need. So let's first download JDK. Open your web browser and go to Google. Simply type Java JDK download and press enter. Most likely the first link that pops up will be from oracle.com, and that's the correct link. Click on it. In case you are not able to find the correct link, copy and paste this URL. Once link is opened, you will see a web page like this. On this page, look for JDK download button at the top. Once you find the button, click on it. This is the official JDK download page. First thing you need to do here is accept the license agreement. In fact, you don't have any choice other than to accept. Next, you need to decide for which operating system you want to download JDK. You have to select appropriate JDK for your operating system. For example, if you are using macOS, then download the DMG file. And if you are using Windows, then download the appropriate exe file. Here you will see two exe files for Windows. x64 is for 64-bit operating system and 86 is for 32-bit operating system. Now let's see how to download JDK for macOS. Click on the DMG file and it will start downloading. Based on your internet speed, it may take some time to complete the downloading process. So please be patient. Once download is done, click on the downloaded DMG file. After a few seconds, it will open a very simple window like this. Double click on the box at the middle. It will open Java installation wizard. Click on continue button and then install. It will ask you to provide the system password. Type your password and then click on install software. After that, installation process will start. It may take some time to install the necessary files on system, so please be patient. Once the installation process is successfully done, you will see a success message like this. Now click on close. Here your Java installation is complete. Now let's check whether we have successfully installed Java or not. To check that, type command plus spacebar on your system's keyboard. This will open a spotlight search field of macOS. Now type here terminal and press enter. This will open macOS terminal window like this. Here simply type Java space hyphen version and then press enter. As you can see, it's showing me the Java version. That means we have successfully installed JDK. My Java version is 1.8, which is the latest JDK version at the time of this recording. Next, we need to download Android Studio. Open your web browser and go to Google. Simply type download Android Studio and press enter. Most probably, the first link that pops up will be from developer.android.com and it's the correct link. Click on it. In case you are not able to find the correct link, copy and paste this URL. This is the official Android Studio download page. Hit this beautiful green button. You will be asked to accept terms and conditions first. Check the box and hit download button. This will start downloading Android Studio, and also you will be redirected to the page where you can see necessary instructions to install Android Studio. Download process may take some time depending upon your internet speed, so please be patient. Once download is done, click on the downloaded DMG file. After a few seconds, it will open a very simple window like this. As you can see, at the left side is Android Studio icon and right side is applications folder. All you have to do is drag and drop this Android Studio icon into applications folder, and this will start copying the entire Android Studio related files inside applications folder. Once the copying process is done, double click on the Android Studio icon. After that, it will show a complete installation window like this. Here you will be asked to choose one option. If you have already Android Studio installed and you want to use the same settings as your previous Android version, then select first option. But if you don't want to import any settings or you want a fresh installation, select second option. Since I want a fresh installation, I am selecting second option. Then hit OK button. This will start Android Studio setup wizard. Now hit next and you will be asked to choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. You will see two options here. One is standard and another one is custom. I will highly recommend you to select a standard option. This will install Android Studio with most common settings and options. Now hit next button and then finish. This will start downloading Android Studio related components. Please do note that this will also download and install required Android SDK components. You don't have to do it by yourself. Again, this process may take some time to complete, so please be patient. Once that is done, hit finish and you are done with the installation of Android Studio. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.